Hi everyone, and welcome back. It's James. I ordered carbon fiber tape for my motorbike. Let's check it out. Yeah! You're looking at AliExpress's website. This is the product that I ordered. 5/3M 3D carbon fiber car sticker. DIY paste protector. Strip auto door sill side mirror anti-scratch tape. Waterproof protect film. For $4.74 US. 10 centimeters. Size 5. I ordered 2 of them and I spent 1,287 yen. That's because I'm in Japan. That's about $11.28 US. And that price includes shipping. Features, there are different sizes. 3D carbon fiber film sticker, high gloss and smooth finish. Perfect for car body, interior decoration. Make your car more unique and cool. Installation. Specifications. I think I ordered this size. We'll see. It looks good. Before. After. It is waterproof, water resistant, and easy to clean. Easy to install without hurting the car. As if it's alive. Okay, so I'm going to use it on my Honda PCX, not on my Tesla. Oh great, it shows you how to install. First you wipe the area, then you measure it, and then you place it on the part where you want to put it, and then you flatten it with this tool. Let's just get to the product. One roll, 2 rolls. Car anti-scratch. This roll is 10 centimeters, 5M. This is from AliExpress. This is my first time to buy anything with carbon fiber, except for my cycling bike. That's carbon framed. Okay, it's pretty wide. I'll be right back. I'm back with a ruler. I am going to measure it in metric. Obviously, I want this side. Obviously, I want the black side to be sticking out. And this should protect my vehicle. And under it has grids, just like grid paper, making it easy to cut. So I'm going to quickly measure this width. It is 10 centimeters. Yes, it is 10 centimeters. 4 inches, American, 4 inches. And there is a lot. And this is identical. I won't open this because I don't need to use this much. Let's go out to my bike. You're looking at my Honda PCX. I bought it this year. So I'm going to wipe it down. And then I'm going to select some spots where to put this carbon fiber tape. Everyone knows that carbon fiber is the strongest. I mean, stronger than steel. It's lightweight. I want to keep my bike looking pristine as much as possible. And I just found out if you wax your car and want to use this carbon fiber tape, you have to remove the wax before using it. Okay? And you're not supposed to wash your car, your motorbike for at least an hour. For at least a day. Okay, you're not supposed to wash your vehicle for at least a day after applying this carbon fiber. Okay, so I'm gonna just wipe down the bike and I'll be back. For you motorcycle lovers or Honda PCX lovers, I want to protect the bottom because this hard plastic can break if you hit something hard. So I'm going to put some tape over here. It's not completely flat, it's roundish. I'll see how this tape works. So I am going to see how much I need. It's not even over here. Let's say about that much. This is a sticker. Just like that. It's not exactly, it comes right off. Just take this off. Oh well, not perfect. That's pretty good. I'm going to have to cut some of it. Maybe. Oh wow, look. It just goes over the bumps. It blends in. Nice. Okay, it's not completely smooth. There are bumps. That's because the bike is uneven. The body of the bike is uneven. Who's going to notice the bumps under the bike? Who's going to notice the bumps? Except for myself. I don't care. I'm trying to keep the bike intact. I've got this plastic card that I don't need. Smoothing it. Bubbles? Yes, there are bubbles. Well, not bad. It's my first time using this tape. It's pretty good. Yep, I think it's water resistant. And anti-scratch, I hope. I'm going to select some areas where I think I need carbon fiber tape to protect this Honda PCX body. And I'll show you the result. Okay, I've done a little bit of a sloppy job, but I figured out how to do it properly. You have to cut small strips and then put it on the body. Okay, so I did it just below the footrest area. If it's ugly, I can just take it off. It does come off easily, but I want to protect the bottom. And maybe over here, but I'm thinking that it'll make it look ugly if I do it there. And I want to protect the sides, but again, I don't want my bike to look ugly. I put the carbon fiber tape on this side. I started off on the left side. It somewhat looks okay. I just don't like the look of it, actually. It looks like I damaged my bike. I don't know. And I also put it down here, next to the kickstand. I don't know, guys. Maybe down here is okay. Maybe not up here. It's making the bike look ugly. That's my opinion. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Get carbon fiber if you want. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.